How do you determine if your Cessna 172 November model is airworthy if you discover a broken piece of equipment? First, according to 91.213a, check if the item is on the minimum equipment list, MEL. But for a Cessna 172, there is no MEL. Next, according to 91.213d21, see if the equipment is listed on a Type Certificate Datasheet, TCDS. This information may look familiar. It is in sections 1 and 2 of your POH. If the equipment is not on the TCDS, 91.213d2 tells us to look for a Kinds of Operations Equipment List, KOEL. There is no KOEL for older Cessna 172. But there is an equipment list which specifies equipment that is required to be airworthy in Section 6 of the Cessna 172's POH. If the equipment has still not been identified on these lists, we will look for a Supplemental Type Certificate, STC. You get an STC for FAA-approved modifications to the aircraft from its original design, such as upgraded avionics. These can be found online but should also remain in the plane. If the equipment still has not shown up on any list, next we consult the Airworthiness Directives, ADs, according to 91.213d24. The Cessna 172 has an AD for its seat rails. If the equipment in question is still not found, we finally consult 91.205 and 91.207, which is where we get the A Tomato Flames and Flaps acronym list from. If the equipment is still not listed, you are good to fly once you label it in OP and disable the equipment according to 91.213d3 and 4.